Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create an ebook. We will use the platform canva.com. You should open it and in the search you should write ebook children to see which templates you can use. If you see this little sign, Crown and Pro, it means that these templates are paid, you should pay for them. But you can use a trial period which is free. It is 14 days, and after that you can cancel it. Or you can use a free template. So these are templates for ebooks for children. You choose which one you like. For example, we will use this one, the first one. When we open it, we can see a few pages of an ebook, and we can change them according to your book, and we can change all information here. We put our mouse, our cursor into the middle and into this box with the text, and we change the title. For example, it will be holiday on the sea. If we don't need this image, we simply remove it, drag and remove, drag to the side, and we don't have unnecessary pictures. If we want to add the pictures that we need, we can write in the search here, for example, beach, according to our topic, and we can click and it will be added to this page. We can set image as background. Look, now we have this cover. And each element you can change. For the start, you can keep it simple. You can change the color of the title, clicking by this letter. You can change the font, the design of the font, and during our class, I will again show it to you, but maybe you can try on your own. You can make this title. If you want to add text, on the left you see text, and you choose what kind of text you want to add. If it is not a heading, you can add a subheading, and you drag all the elements, you put your mouse here, and you add text that you need. For example, by Valerio. Again, drag by this circle, and we can enlarge this. So this is the cover. Next, you can also change each picture, each page. I have already prepared one template for you. I started to prepare it, and I will share it with you, where we already have title, author, and the next chapter contents. You will just need to add the names of your chapters here and put the text of your chapter 1 here and add pictures that you like, and it will be your ebook. So at the class, we will continue working on it, and let's see if you can do it on your own.